This is this is a this is an emergency alert system from the Void Jockey Council. SCP V11 has recently breached containment and is now in your area. Follow these safety protocols in order to ensure your safety. Step 1. Do not use any source of technology. SCP V11 has gained the ability to detect anyone via technology. So please do not use your device as advised. Step 2. Staying in groups. SCP V11 is able to kill anyone that's alone, and make sure to stay in your group at all times. And do a head count daily now. Also, his SCP V11's potential. He may make a potential of the XK class scenario, known as the Void Redacted. The following broadcast has been transmitted from. Breaking news: an unknown combatant named dubbed as SCP V11, known as the Void, has apparently breached containment. Has been spotted near borders of California through Nevada. We have a audio from the leader of the Void Jockey Council to explain what more information there are. Emergency alert system previously from the last broadcast. SCP V11 is now able to kill anyone on site if you've been spotted. In other news, the UN has deployed several safe houses. In order to make. Sorry for. The audio has cut out from the audios of the for the leader of the Void Jockey Council. We can't show this information on air because it may trigger some people. Yeah, if you see SCP V11, please run immediately to the nearest safe house immediately. More information will be coming soon in the upcoming days. Thank you for your cooperation. This is a broadcast from Void Jockey Cal, and this current broadcast will be broadcasted throughout the United States of America. SCP V11 has counted of 900,660,959 amount of counts of Void Redacted. The reason was a 12 gauge shotgun wound in the chest for unknown reasons. It could possibly be from SCP V11, known as the Void. I'm apparently the only one alive left, so please may God be with you all. And oh shit, God.